Alright, so this is Battlefield 4. 2-player on PC. I'm on the mouse. You're on the keyboard.
Yeah, sniping.
Yeah, so we're doing snipers. You're pushing the buttons. Let's go.
The buttons.
Oh, I'm pushing a couple. Go, run, motherfucker!
I'm working on it. I forgot already.
Good start.
What's going on? Okay. Where did we get shot from?
Over there somewhere. Tree just fell down.
It's bad for the environment.
It is.
Don't cut trees down. Sensor!
Save the planet.
Where's everyone? This is a tiny map. How can no one... Oh!
God damn it.
Wow.
Are you kidding?
It's a rocket. Rocket Man!
Level 1. It's like his first kill ever.
And we are a part of it.
You're welcome. I think we got us both. You over here.
Oh, damn it. Okay, I have to break the fence to get through.
Nah, fuck that. Okay. I thought it would take longer than that.
Yeah, it's just knife wood and it just crumbles.
Even Minecraft takes longer than that.
Beautiful thing. Huh! Jump. Where is everyone?
I don't know, but I'm...
Oh, look at this guy. He doesn't even see us. Oh, we should have went for a knife. Man.
Fucking seriously?
Oh, okay. You don't got a nose scope him.
Lucky Sean.
2.
Yeah.
It's the second one. Not the original.
No. One thing about a remake.
It's never as good as the original. Oh, you're running out of bounds.
Oh,
my good sir.
I'm not allowed to go there.
Nope. Oh yeah! Oh, I had shot
Headshot.
too. I think this guy.
You didn't see that coming.
Shoots. There's a guy like right beside us. I'm like, oh, yeah, there's a guy behind us.
Oh.
Right there.
Oh. Come on, our team couldn't have built this out. Oh, there we go.
Revived. They bailed us out. And then you shot.
Yeah, just for good measure.
Oh! Really? No scope him, probably. No scope him.
No,
Pistol.
stop that!
Solid C4. Don't switch guns. I'll switch your guns.
Well, I needed a pistol.
Yeah, I was working on it. I pushed it. Then you switched to C4.
I was already on
Could have
it.
used that. Would have killed us too, probably, but... Motion sensor.
Okay. Oh,
Wow.
did you motion sense that?
Yeah, that was actually the motion sensor
Oh.
that did that.
Fell off.
That's alright. Go get B. Let's play the objective and cap stuff.
Alright, lie down.
Nah, snipe that guy. Don't no scope.
Can't see him. Is
This
this
guy in
like,
the doorway.
is this like cod with the banana leaves?
I'm gonna throw that.
What's that? Okay.
Oh, look, we captured the... What do you call it?
B?
Point. No,
Objective?
mission.
Ah!
Oh,
Oh.
he almost got him.
Thor's key. 2-4.
I think he's 24. Yeah. Oh, One-Eyed Sam's in our squad.
What?
I remember that guy. Jump over that. Never mind.
No. Too much effort.
We would have tripped.
This is a good place to shoot. Oh, that's right.
Yeah, well. It would be if people were on the other end.
Get out the way.
We're more important.
Get C. Help me get C. Oh, yeah.
The guy is on the left. He's like, I'm gonna grenade. Another one.
Dude!
Yeah. I need
Takoyaki.
kills too. That's a thing.
Let's go.
Wow, jeez. Take your time, game. It's not like we have killing to do or anything.
Or dying.
Yeah, well, I don't remember that part. Oh, we're stuck.
You're stuck. You're the one who's running.
Gonna cut ourselves on the metal.
Throw a grenade.
Yeah. This guy right beside us. Pistol. Nope, he's gone.
Last man in the squad. I'm all alone.
One-Eyed Snake died. One-Eyed Snake. One-Eyed Sam. Oh, chicken. Oh, you got him. Kind of.
Close enough.
Oh, grenade!
What are you?
I think he's dead. We'll say he's dead. And our buddy's dead again. Go back. Someone died. That means someone had to shoot him, right? I guess not. No, he just died of natural causes.
Oh.
Just gotta throw these everywhere. Wacha! Go Pokeball!
That is really freaking fancy.
Fancy Pokeball. Got my pistol out.
Like there was like different colored ones, wasn't there?
Was there?
Like ones were like more powerful and shit.
Sure. Oh yeah. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Oh, there's a guy
There's a
right
guy
there.
behind us, dude. Like
guy-
right next to
I don't
us.
fucking care about that guy.
Where'd he go? Oh, our friend.
Way
killed
to
him.
go.
Oh, buddy. C4.
Stop with the C. Great. Now
You're the
this
one
guy's
pushing
dead.
the button. Or not the button, the mouse wheel. Oh, I hit him.
Ah.
He got us. He's hurt though.
9 health. Fucking fluffy.
He'll never be able to live the same way. That bullet is forever in his gut.
They got him in the chest.
Nah. Alright. Probably. This guy on the left, right, middle, up, down. Middle, up.
What is happening?
C4!
No, stop with the C4! You're getting us killed!
They went at your feet. You should have blown it up.
Stop doing that.
Could've
Trying to
ended
kill
badly.
people here. That looks like a paintball gun what he's holding, like with the
Does it?
silhouette.
Okay. Maybe it is a paintball gun. It's embarrassing if he kills with a paintball gun.
No, you guys killed the paintball gun. Fucking cunt.
Hey, watch the language, sir. 3 and 7, it's not that bad. Oh look, this guy helped us out. He's a good teammate.
That's our guy.
What?
What?
Okay. Grenade. Nope. Oh jeez. Pistol. That's a motion sensor. That's not gonna help us at
Where's
all.
it going?
Knife him! Knife him!
I knifed him!
Alright, let's go.
He was an idiot.
Man,
Where the hell did he go?
we shot at him like 2 different guns, threw a motion sensor at him. Still made us
Tried
kill him.
C4, but it just didn't work out.
Huh. At this point, I'm gonna reload my pistol because it's a little empty.
Look at that.
Oh, it's a claymore.
That's
Shit.
convenient.
Hiding in the bush.
That guy has 0 health.
Yeah, he died, I guess. Serves him right. It's not really storming yet.
It's getting there.
Yeah, it is.
You ever
Go get A
wonder why
again.
we're here?
Don't worry about it. It's too much thinking for me. I just think about the basics.
Legs going down.
Like, what's for lunch?
Oh,
Motion sensor! I was throwing in that crate. Crate? Container. That's the word I'm looking for.
I think this could be a crate.
Nah.
Look at this fucking guy. Aw,
It's killing us. The
dice.
paintball gun.
Yeah.
Oh, we're alive. Okay. You just stay there.
Ow. Run.
Get the high ground. Motion sensor.
Stop. Stop throwing shit.
Want me to zoom in?
Stop zooming in.
Well, I don't know. You gotta speak to me. Oh, we're
Yes.
again.
Don't stop doing shit if I'm not speaking to
How are we
you.
on the ground? We died up there.
This thing blew up.
No, it didn't. We're good. Look at that guy. Zoom in.
Stop.
It doesn't affect your scope.
Absolutely
Well,
does.
it doesn't, you know, doesn't.
No, the zoom doesn't affect my scope at all.
That's not what I meant.
Oh, it's taking forever.
Yeah, it is. Look how close this game is. We gotta step it up. With the motion
Stop
sensor.
throwing shit.
Support. Gotta keep people marked on the map.
Keep you marked on the map.
Rude. He's gone. Give you 2 minutes to turn to where he was.
Yeah? I was
Yeah.
just expecting you to throw something.
That probably would help better than you not killing him.
No, it wouldn't have, because it would have gotten us killed.
We just died anyway.
Yeah, by the other guy.
Well,
Let's play some basketball. Throw a motion sensor.
That's gonna go way over.
Just do
Go
it.
out the
Just
back
do it.
guard. Go out the back board.
Go over there. Go over there. Just
What do you mean?
walk over.
No, turn around.
Damn it.
Shit.
Let's go try this again. It's a good thing our teammates don't know what the fuck is going on.
What
the hell's he going?
Tricycle.
Stop
What's he
dancing.
doing?
Dude, where's that basketball net?
On the other side of the map.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, there's a guy right there. On the left. On the right. I don't know my directions very well. Paintball gun again.
Okay, well, maybe we'll spawn closer to the
Maybe.
basketball net. America. Freedom.
What?
There's
Oh,
American flag.
I see. Yeah, it's right at sea, right in front of us. But there's people there. We gotta kill everyone, and then we can do it.
Nah.
It's motivation to kill people.
You might just like go on
We
like
just
a
gotta clear
10-0 run.
We just gotta clear the basketball net out. Oh, we're alive.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, look at this. Look, I think we're getting it.
Regret reviving us.
Okay. Now look left.
Oh, just blow it up. God damn it. Come
Same
on.
guy that killed us last time we were trying to play basketball. He's a white guy.
Must be a baseball player or something.
Okay, go to the left. Yeah, let's see. Go to C. Go to C. We need to score a basket.
I'm working on it.
More
Skulls everywhere.
More
Guys are all
important than killing
dead.
people.
Oh shit!
They seem to all wally want C.
Why does everybody want to play basketball?
That person killed us so many times.
5.
I'm gonna hide this stuff. I don't want to hear everyone talking. Wait,
Close game.
It was such a close game before.
It was a fairly close game.
Yeah,
now.
but we were winning by like 10, and now we lost by like 34.
Well, that's it.
Well, like 34, exactly 34.
It's game over. We lost.
That's it.
See you later.